Hello, Rosebuds. Thanks for joining me today. It's time for another unboxing. This unboxing is another one of my favorite vendors. It is from Northland Rosarium. I really enjoy working with Andrew. He's very knowledgeable and passionate about roses, and he sells potted roses. The potted roses are going to be in quart-size containers, and he stocks throughout the year, much like High Country, Heirloom. He might have one initial push that does new varieties, but you can see here, packaged very well. Oh, I have a bloom. That's always really exciting for me. So what do we look for when we unbox a potted rose? Potted roses, we just want the soil to be covered. We want to make sure that it's labeled. It's the variety, of course, that we ordered, the size that we ordered, and we know that Andrew is selling in the band-size pots. Let's see, it's covered, and we want to make sure that it remains moist in shipment. And I can see in here it's got humidity and paper to keep it moist. So the varieties that I got, I'll share with you in a second, but let's go ahead and pull these out here so you can see the sizes. We have a discount code available through Northland, and I'll pop that up here on the screen. 4 beautiful roses. This one is the tallest. Man, look at this. This is, over 2.5 feet here, and the others are, a little over a foot in size. What did I pay for these? I'm going to pop my receipt up here for you all to see. Which varieties did I get? I got the Yeoman, which is an older David Austin. David Austin roses do okay for me. For a while I was really collecting them, and I wanted to try all the varieties. And I've tried most of them, and I just find that the older varieties aren't worth really keeping in my garden because they just don't perform well. But I haven't tried the Yeoman yet. So make sure that you keep watching the videos, and I'll share how it does in Zone 8. I got Marie Curie, Guy de Maupassant, and that one has a bloom. We're also looking, I forgot to mention that we're also looking at our potted roses to make sure that there are no pests, and I do not see pest on these. Sometimes you can get on leafed out roses black spot in your box, and that's okay. The humidity just builds up, and it happens, and so you just defoliate the rose to get them to grow back. But everything here looks great. Passionate kisses. So I am really happy. I'm always very happy with the roses that I get from Andrew. Andrew has been so kind that he is offering us a giveaway. We're going to do 1 rose for 4 winners. Make sure that you go to his website, pick a rose that you'd like to win in this drawing, and comment down below this video. I'm going to pick a winner in 1 week. Here's the rules for the contest. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I do the drawing in a week, and it's usually at the beginning of another unboxing or a tour or something that I'm doing. So make sure that you subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll see you in the next video.